Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration of tiny treasures. You can create one tiny item or a shadow box of tiny items. The hosts for today are Jerry with A Happy Hoarder and Nancy with Little Treasures by Nancy. I'll leave both of their channel links as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box below. These are wonderful, talented ladies, so please be sure to check them out. With that being said, onto my little haunted house DIY. Items you need from the Dollar Tree are this Halloween DIY box, tiny pearls, wood letter tiles in various wood shapes, black daisies, black construction paper, scrapbook paper, and a small brown textured foam piece. And last but not least, you'll need some various paint colors, miter shears, and a glue gun. The first thing I'll do is build the house. I'll be using miter shears to cut the wood tiles down to size for the roof and the sides of the house. You can start by adhering one tile to the top of the roof. I've already outlined in pencil how much I need to trim off. Use sandpaper to smooth down the edges and then adhere the next piece for the roof. I decided to use a craft stick to complete the sides of the house. I added the back side of the house and this is how it looks so far. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. So now I'll start lining the inside of the box. I'll put the construction paper in first and then the scrapbook paper. Next, you can put in the moon and the cloud. I made this tiny drawing of a person. It's going to go into the window of the house. I'm using miter shears to cut the wood tiles into tiny hay bales. I created tiny stalks of wheat by cutting the bristles of a stencil brush. I put a dab of hot glue down on a silicone mat. I pressed the ends down and then I put a little bit more hot glue on top. This is how they all look in a row. I just adhered them on a small dowel rod and they'll be tucked away in the back of the shadow box. I took some of these branches off of this to create a little tree. I just hot glued some pieces together. I use a fine point Sharpie marker to create a jack-o'-lantern. Look how cute this is. Here's how it's looking so far. I'll put in the rest of the items and I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is, my haunted house shadow box DIY. I ended up putting some highlights on the tree because it was coming out too dark on the camera. I think this turned out adorable. I love the pumpkins. They are definitely a challenge to draw on, but I had so much fun creating this Halloween scene. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment, even if it's just to say hello. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!